Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to share some tips that you can use to be a better artist this new year. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Also, before we begin, I just wanted to wish you all a very happy new year. I wish you all the best for this new year. I wish you achieve all your goals, all your desires this new year. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So the first tip would be to practice regularly, and I know you hear about it a lot. Now, you do hear about it a lot because it is actually true. Once you start practicing a lot when it comes to art, you are actually gonna see that you are becoming better and better and better at what you are creating. The more you practice, the more you will improve. And just try to set aside time each day to work on your art, even if it's just for a few minutes. Just do that for a month or so, and you will see great difference between the artwork you started with and the artwork you end up with towards the end of the month. Practicing regularly makes a huge difference, and I have learned it in my experience as well. Whenever I experience any sort of art block, I just try to set aside just a few minutes, maybe half an hour. I give half an hour to my art and it just starts improving. Alright, the second tip would be to experiment with different tools and techniques. Now, try out different software and tools to find out what works the best for you, because sometimes we get so fixated onto just one software, one tool, or one technique, and we use it all along, but it actually hinders our growth as an artist. Okay, experiment with different techniques and approaches to see what produces the best results that you want. Alright, and I've experienced it myself. Sometimes I just use just one technique or just one tool to create the artwork, but lately what I've done is I kind of tweaked my techniques and I changed the tools I was using, and I saw a huge difference in the final output. So what I feel is the more you change, the more you will grow. Now, you don't have to adapt to these new techniques. It's not compulsory, but what I'm trying to say is just try those techniques out. Just try those new techniques, new tools, to see if they are working for you. If not, then you can just always go back to your old techniques that you were using, the old tools you were using, and it'll be just fine. The third tip would be to learn from others. Look at the work of other digital artists, or traditional artists for that matter, both professionals and somebody who is not professionally trained but they are self-taught, and see what you can learn from them. Pay attention to their techniques and approaches and see what you can apply to your own work. Again, I experienced it too. Recently I experienced an art block, and I was just confused as in what to create, what not to create. But then I bought this course from Udemy, and I was like, I just wanted to see what other artists are doing and how they're doing it. And I actually picked up a lot of different techniques that they were using to create their artwork. So what happened was, not only did I adapt to this new technique and applied it to my own artwork, but my art block also started to dissipate, and it was great. I then suddenly was so inspired to create more and more artwork because I was so excited to use this new technique that I learned from this artist. Alright, so try to learn from other people as well. Even if you are somebody who's like well trained, or you think that you have trained yourself well enough to create good artworks, just never stop growing. The fourth tip would be to take online courses or workshops. There are many online courses and workshops available that can help you improve your skills. Look for the ones that are specifically focused on digital art or traditional art if you are a traditional artist, or that cover the techniques you're interested in learning. As I just said, I took up a course because I was experiencing an art block. So I was like, I want some inspiration. So I realized maybe taking this course would open my mind up and would inspire me to create more, and that's exactly what happened. So even if you don't want to take any online course and you don't want to spend any money, you can always just go on YouTube and try different tutorials. Just watch YouTube videos, try their techniques, because every artist has a different technique to create a specific kind of artwork. So that's another great tip to kind of keep on improving as an artist. Another tip would be to set goals for yourself. Now, identify specific areas of your art that you want to improve and that you think is kind of lacking in your whole art journey, and set goals for yourself. This can help you stay focused and motivated as you work on your art. And yeah, that's something I also do. There are some areas that I know I need to improve. So I specifically go ahead on YouTube, or maybe I buy certain courses which are specifically focused on those areas only. And that really just helps building up the confidence with your art. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. So just set goals, even if there are no areas which you think you need to work on. Setting goals for yourself, as in, okay, right now if you are able to create portrait artwork but you're not so good at creating landscapes, maybe set a goal for that I want to become great at painting landscapes as well. All right, so that can be a goal. So this was just an example, but just showing you guys that setting goals really help. Getting clear on what you want from your art career or from your art journey is necessary to, it's really important in life as well to know where you're headed. And that just makes everything easy, because then you'll be able to come up with a plan. Then you'll be able to recognize what path you want to walk towards. The last tip would be to be patient, just calm down. Improving your skills takes time. Sometimes it does takes time and effort, practice, Don't expect to see dramatic improvements overnight, but rather focus on making steady progress over time. Be patient, have fun with it, Do not beat yourself up. Do not be so harsh on yourself. All right, just be patient, be calm, be laid back. Enjoy the process. That's what I love about art. I just love the whole process of it. When we are creating an artwork, yes, we love the final output, but the whole process of it, the whole process of creating it, sketching it, painting it, is so therapeutic. So just like that, just enjoy your journey, enjoy the whole process. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you have any specific tip that you can give on this specific topic, comment it down below. I would love to know that. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.